All right, guys, if you are in estate and you are needing help, they have modified and improved the whole system, the whole structure of the help center in estate. And the update that I am about to give you is going to blow your mind, guys. This platform is rocking it every single day. So they care for their community members, they care for you, they care for me, they care for everybody that is in estate. This is the reason why the CEO have made it possible for us to have access to all the customer support centers that they have in estate to make things easy, right? However, the way the platform is designed, right, you hardly need help from any customer support because it is very simple, it is straightforward, it is user friendly. All the AI that they have operating in the back office is very slick. So this is coming straight from the official Facebook group. Okay, before anything is posted here, it's already posted on the official Telegram group. But I just want to use different platform to record this video today for you guys. So as you can see from here, there is a phone consultations that can happen between Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. CST. And that is the telephone number there. +1 608 454 5044. You can also continue to contact EST support using our existing channels. Now, the current existing channels are WhatsApp and Telegram. As you can see from here, that is the WhatsApp number +1971 455 5111. And that is the link for those of you that are already in estate official Facebook group. This will allow you to go straight into your WhatsApp and communicate with the support if you need support. Okay, the Telegram link is also provided on the Facebook group, and that is also the email for customer support in case if you need to do that. There is also support tickets that are also available in your back office, guys. Okay, in your back office you will find this, and I'm going to show you that right away. So if you are looking to contact customer support through your back office, right, if you don't want to go through all of these options, just go to your back office. When you are on your back office, select Info Hub. When you click on Info Hub, you will see two tabs: Knowledge Base and Help Center. Select Help Center. Once you select Help Center, this is what you see. You can create a ticket, write the subject, okay, which is the reason why you want to contact them, and then enter your message there, and then click Open Ticket. And if you have any active ticket, you will see that the active button is selected in default, right? And then if you select the close button, that will show you if you have raised the ticket that they have resolved in the past. So again, to access this ticket area, to access the customer support area in your back office, go back to Info Hub and then select Help Center. This page will open for you to contact them, right? But for now, these are the current ways for you to contact the customer support, and they have added the telephone consultation as well. Okay, so there is a live chat on the website as well. If you want to chat with the customer support live in the back office, you can go there and check there as well, and then contact them if you want. I have been using the Telegram Help Center. Okay, the customer support on the Telegram. Within few minutes, you will get response. Okay, if you have any issues, the first point of contact is your upline. Your sponsor is your first line of contact, guys. Okay, but if your sponsor is not available and you want to contact the customer support, this is the number to call. If you don't want to call the number, please chat them up on WhatsApp with this link or this number. Please write this number down. Okay, for the WhatsApp, write the link down. If you can copy the link, or just take a screenshot, right? And then save all of this information because you will need them at some point. Okay, but if you follow all the instructions from your upline, from your sponsor, you should be okay in e-estate, right? The reason why I have contacted customer support at all is just normal question that I needed clarification from, not technical problem, right? So guys, this is happening, this is live. They have 100% improved the customer support system in e-estate, and I'm very happy with the progress that they are making on a daily basis. And guess what, guys, you can actually purchase a fraction of a real estate here, right, and begin to earn on a daily basis. That is the main drive of we being in e-estate. Okay, not to contact customer support. That's not the reason why you are here. You are here to make money. And if you follow all the instructions that I have given you, if you are in my team, you don't have to contact customer support. But of course, for a legitimate business, there should be a customer support that is available and ready to assist any member that is having a query, or if you have any issues at all that you need clarification. As I said, the first person to go to is your upline. If I am your upline, guys, and you're having any issues, come to me first. If I cannot resolve the issue, I will take it further. If we need to contact the customer support, then by all means, we can do that as well, right? So once more, what we are doing here is we are purchasing a fraction of real estate, okay? And it is accessible to everybody around the globe, okay? There is no restrictions. Wherever you are in the world, you can participate in this project. You can purchase your fraction of real estate, and then you can begin to earn after 24 hours, Mondays to Fridays, and you will also be able to withdraw on a daily basis if you wish to do so. So the link to join is below this video description, guys, if you would like to join and purchase a fraction of your real estate and begin to earn passively on that real estate. Thank you, guys, and God bless.